Okay, we want to cancel that. Oh, that's actually our video. Okay, so this is coming up. Okay, let's open this. All right, good. So let's see what we have here. We'll double click the ProRes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the audio to sync. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're fine. Okay, so we're going to be in our synced clips bin. And what we've done is we've created one synced clip. And now what we want to do is to click the other scratch audios. We don't need this one, so we can actually delete this one. Delete one master clip. Okay, we have clones of it. And we're going to basically sync these three with these three. So what we want to do is 3B5 with 3B5 and PU 03 and 06. Okay, so then we can right click and we can, whoops, let me do that again. And select these. We can right click and we can do a group auto sync. It's all artificial intelligence, exception, audio TC trouble. So we might have to start over, but we've sort of already done this. Oh, okay, let's do auto sync. And we want to go to the waveform analysis and say okay. Okay, now that we have now 4 merged clips here, and what we can do is we can highlight these to delete them and just hit the delete key. You want to delete 3 master clips. Okay, so now we're just down to basically what we want to do is to bring in the remaining ProRes clips. And these are the ones that require slating. Okay, so what we're going to do here is where it says no audio, we're going to bring these no audio in, option drag them into the bin. And what we have to do here is slate these. Double click the name just to get them all in order, and we can see that we're going to start with this one that has no audio. We'll double click it and put it in the bin. It gets complicated because down here you want to toggle between source and record and time code, so that then when you put, you're actually viewing the representation of this one. And what you want to do is to put the corresponding audio. Well, first you want to find the slate here. Where the slate closes, you have to do these one at a time, using the side arrow to hit the I key on the keyboard to put an in mark there. Basically, we're going to be syncing these to the slate. So we're going to put this in here because they have no audio. All right, we're going to open this up. This is double system audio. And we can find the slate, mostly it looks like that. You can open up this timeline by zooming in. And you can see that I have it right on that mark. You can use the right and left arrows. But if we back it up, we can hear the slate. Okay, so we're going to back it up. And I'm going to put an in mark here, either with the I or this. This is representing this. Now we're ready to synchronize that particular one by holding the control key. By holding the command key, you can select both, right click, right click, go to auto sync, and here we're going to sync to the endpoints. Okay, sync to the endpoints. Okay, and you're going to repeat that process for each of these. That now has another clip at the top. Audio auto sync. We should be in this bin. Okay, wait a minute. We need to bring the ProRes. We brought the ProRes into the audio bin. Let's get rid of that. Okay, we want to delete this clip. Okay, so now what we want to do is to drag we want to open the sync clips bin, which is this, and we simply want to go to the ProRes bin, pull this out, and from here what we want to do is to drag in, we want that to turn green, okay. We want to double click the name on these, and we're going to take in all the ones that say no audio. You can hold the shift key, hold the command key, and copy it into the synced we want to go into the synced clips bin. So we're going to drag this into the sync clips bin. And I'll try using it this way. We're going to have no audio selected, option key, drag it into the sync clips bin. That seems to work better. I'm going to close this, and now we can synchronize to the end mark. Okay, so basically what we want to do is to put an end mark on this one, and we're going to put an end mark on this one, right click. So now we will right click so that this goes into this bin. Okay, we're going to do this really quickly. Okay, we're going to go forward to the clapper board here. This is 3A3. Put an end mark. We'll find 3A3 here. 3A3. Put this into the bar here. Drag it forward. Well, we want to see the waveform. You can find the waveform. It sort of follows allowed. They're calling the slate there, and that should be the slate right there. Okay, we want to put it here, put an end mark. We're going to select that, and we're going to select this one. We're going to go to 3. We're going to go to 3A3, no audio. We're going to go to 3A3, no audio, and synchronize that. 3A3, no audio with ROP. 3A3. Okay, auto sync. Sync to the endpoints. It will default to the last setting. So these should go pretty quickly. We now have that one. We'll go to this one. That's 3A3. We're going to go to this one, 3A1. And we'll come down here to 3A1, which is this one. First, double click this. We're going to get the end mark on that. It already has an end mark, maybe. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, end mark. And we'll do the same thing with the corresponding audio, which is 3A3, this one. Okay, down here we have the end mark, so we can hit the control key. We hit the command key, 3A3, right click, and auto sync to the end mark. Okay, so we've got the two clips there. We'll do the remaining ones. We're going to come down to 3-4, put it into this. We're going to pull it forward to the slate. End mark, do it carefully. 4-4, so this is 3-4. 3A4. this is 3/4, so we're going to go to this one, put this one into there. We're going to look at the waveform. Go ahead and make the in mark. In, and we should have a corresponding in mark on the 3/4, which is here. So what we want to do is basically mark 3/4, hold the command key, right click, auto sync, and sync. Okay, we're getting all these nice clips here. Let's see what we have. No audio. We've done this one, this one, this one, and we just have to do 2 more. So we'll put the 3/3, no audio into the timeline, and we will actually mark this into the browser window, and we'll mark this. And then we have to have the corresponding 3/3 going into the timeline here. Go to, we want to show the waveform. And put the in mark. So we're going to have 3/3. We're going to go 3/3, hold the command key, right click, auto sync, sync to the endpoints, OK. And so now we basically have, let's see if we've got one more to do. No audio on 1A3. Let's see if we don't have 1A3 yet, so we're going to put this in the browser window. We do have 1A3 already marked, but we'll find 1A3 here and put this into the browser window. That has a mark, so let's go to 1A3. We're going to hold the command key and right click, these match. Going to auto sync. Auto sync and sync. So now that these are all synced, we can remove the remaining media. Let's delete these keys. We're going to hold the shift key. We don't need any of this audio. I'm going to hit the delete key. Delete 5 master clips, OK. And then we're going to delete all of this media. Hit OK. OK. Delete this media, delete, and we have to check the checkbox. OK, and that's deleted. So now basically we have our synced clips all in here. We've got the scratch audio, and we've got the other ones. There should be 9 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. All right. The next thing you want to do is to create a new bin. We're going to call a new bin. We're going to call this. Let's call this ME1-2 media. And in here, we're going to right click and input from the source browser, we're going to input the remaining media from the Avid media here. We're going to go to, we've got this media. All right, so what we want to do is to, in this folder, we're going to go input to source browser. I'm going to go to my Avid Media and bring in the ME1-2, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to link and make bins based on folder. Okay, it's done. Quit. All right, let's see what we're going to do here is we're going to basically double-click this. You can see that we have all these other clips. These do not match the ones that we've just created. You're going to pull this out. Open up the synced clips bin. Lasso this and copy it into the bin. This is going to be your master bin that you're editing from. Okay, so now you have all the clips that you're going to be editing. It's a combination of ones that you created with synchronized media and then stuff that was already synced. So we'll move to the next lesson now. Now you're ready to edit this media.